Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Higazi. Inshallah, today we will discuss the capabilities of pipe support generator, PSG software. This software, we can use it to generate the support pipes fabrication drawings and 3D models. Here, when you start a new project, you will find a list of the available supports like CE01, CG01, CR01, different pipe supports. And if you would like to get a detailed spec of this support, actually you can go through the another image to check that. For example, for SB17, when you double click on that, you will open the spec for this support, which is SB17, and actually you can read this spec and check any point you would like to check. Now let's create this project on the desktop and click on create to start creating this project. And here you will find a list or a table, a data grid. You can fill it with the information of the pipe support. Here, if you right click, you will find another option for the other values like unit, area, and line, which indicates this support will be installed on the field. Now let's select all of those fields, and from here let's open one of those Excel sheets which includes some of the pipe supports. Now let's select some of them like that. Select some of those, and from here and click on paste to fill the grid. Now we have different supports. We will need to make a validation to check the duplication of items if we have a duplicated items or some rejected support marks. Now we have 18 support marks and 23 as a quantity for those supports. Now let's save this project, and from here, from the project tab, let's open the project setting, and from here you can define the project information like in your drawing, like the spec number, manufacturer, client, job number, all of that, and from here some information regarding the assembly, and we will discuss that during assembly. Now let's click on build to start creating the 3D models and the fabrication drawings for the support marks. Here, as you can see, the 3D model of the support mark will be generated and updated automatically. The same for the fabrication drawing will be generated, and all dimensions will be located, and the bill of material will be generated. Here's the second support mark, and if we come back here to this list, you can figure that this support mark is now built, and on the second support mark it's in progress, which is a creation of the 3D model and the fabrication drawings. Here the third support mark will be started, okay, and we will wait until finishing all of the support marks. Okay, here by the way, you will find here on this list the remaining number of support marks and the remaining quantity, and here the estimated remaining time. Okay, now we have just the last one. After finishing this one, we will prepare a collection for all of the group from drawings and assembly. To check the total quantity of this group, okay, now we generate all the supports, and from here collect the assembly, and in this step we will prepare one assembly for all of the support marks to check the total weight of this group, and prepare a detailed bill of material to calculate the required raw material to fabricate those supports. How we will do that, we will discuss that on the next seconds, inshallah, after generating the 3D model. Now we have the assembly for all of the support marks. As you can see, if you have one of those support marks with duplication, the quantity of it like that, this one we have 3 support marks, automatically you will find that here appear on the final assembly. Now to get the weight of this group, from the physical properties we can get the total weight, which is around 700 kilograms, and here the total surface area. And if we would like to prepare a bill of material, we will need to generate a drawing, and let's add a bill of material for this one. Okay, let's select this type of list and make it as a parts list. And from here, let's make a merge for the identical items. So from the parts, let's make a merging based on the status, material, and mass. So here the application collect the identical items, and from here let's sorting it by the status. Finally, let's move the lens before the quantity and click on apply. Now as you can see, item number 1, so let's sorting it by that. So the item number 1, the length of item number 1 is 190 millimeters, and it's an angle 70 by 70 by 7 millimeters, and the material is A36, and here you have a list of items. Now if you would like to calculate the required number of beams, you can make a quick nesting. So from here, for example, for the L100 by 100, we can take a copy from those and open the one-dimensional nesting calculator, and you can make a list for the values here. That means you have a piece with 390 millimeters. You have 2 pieces from it, and another 2 pieces from 490, and 6 pieces from 590. Now the raw material or the standard beam in your workshop, let's say 6 meters, and the cut between each piece, let's make it as a 10 millimeters. Now when you click on calculate, now you can get the required number of beams. You will need 1 beam, and you will cut it by that arrangement like that, and the remaining piece will be 610 millimeters. Now let's try another thing. So let's pick the 100 and UBN 160. So let's take a copy from the lens and the number, and let's open the one-dimensional calculator and click on paste, and now let's click on calculate. As you can see, you will need 4 beams. Okay, the first beam you will cut it by that arrangement. The second beam you will cut it with that arrangement, and that's the remaining length. The third beam you will cut it with that arrangement, and for the last one. Now you can export this as an Excel sheet, so to send it to your workshop to start cutting this beam for that case. Okay, one more thing here regarding the assembly or the collection of the drawings. So from here, from the project, you can click on create drawings or the collection of drawings, and automatically you will get a collection for all of your drawings. Here on the on the left hand side, as you can see, now you collect all drawings in one, all sheets in one drawing, and as you can see, you have 18 sheets for the 18 supports, and in each sheet you will find a detail for this support mark. So here that's a support mark SB17-U8-16-800, sorry, 600, and here the detailed bill of material for this one. You have 2 pieces from UPN 80 with that length, and 1 piece from UPN 160 with that length, the material and the weight for each piece. And here you have the total quantity required from this support. You have 2 pieces, and the 1 item weight. Here's the item weight for that support. And here if you take a look to the dimensions, as you can see, the distance measured from the CG of this beam. Now as you can see, we generate the 3D model for all the pipe supports generate the fabrication drawings in minutes. And inshallah, on another videos, we will discuss some of the other capabilities and the available support marks in PSG software pipe support generator. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum.